Okay, Katrina, what are we doing for the COVID-19?
We are doing curbside service here in central Lincoln, Nebraska, where we are located. We are taking this very serious. We want to keep that curve down of COVID-19. So we are offering curbside service. What you do is you give us a call, get your order all paid for via credit card, and your order will be in our tote out front. That way we don't have contact. We're still advocating for social distancing. That's going to help keep the COVID-19 curve down if we just keep ourselves separated. Be nice once we can get this all taken care of and we can join our partnership with all of our customers like we used to.
What's up, guys? Today I am printing some direct-to-garment shirts for Trey Gropp. We had an order come in for a couple of the shirts, so that's what we're getting started doing today. What are you doing?
Well, right now I'm working on one of the corporate apparel and team apparel page sites. So fairly shortly we can get this rolling. In terms of the team apparel, I'm sure some of you guys are familiar with our local wear site, and we just basically decided to change the name of it, but in terms of how you'll be able to order, what you'll be able to order will remain the same. But we are also adding a corporate apparel site, which it'll have the same type of guidelines, but maybe we'll switch up in terms of the timeline once you place your order, payment, that kind of thing. So it's just more convenient for employees to order their own rather than having one person gather all the orders and then submit it.
Calvary Community Church. They sent it to me. Usually what they do is they put down their phone number and everything and the address. Well, this year they're doing it online, so they're just getting a new banner for that. So I'm working on that. They send us the artwork for it, but we need to send it back to them and approve so they can make sure it came over okay. So that's what I'm working on.
I am putting some nameplates together for a local company, Commonwealth Electric. They reorder these nameplates for us. They put it on black PVC. When new people come, they like to get a nameplate on them for them. So we're gonna do a couple for them. I got 4, and let's see how they turn out.
TLM bookkeeping. We're going to do some removal on this window as you see behind me. This is a nice way to kind of, whenever you move into a new office, get rid of the old stuff that was there, put your own stuff there and kind of make it your own. Great visibility. I mean, you got a nice parking lot here that, good to see signs, especially if you do white. As you can see, a lot of people are doing white on this building. So yeah, take a look, see what you think. with the install. Went really good. One thing you got to worry about when you're doing outside, you're dealing with the element, you're dealing with the wind, people walking by, you're dealing with all sorts of things, dust blowing around. I have trees behind me. When you have trees, typically you have leaves. Leaves can get into your install part, which can make it a nightmare to work with. But no, otherwise install went really good. But yeah, check it out.